they did all this stuff the whole way down the valley. And in 1 year, right now, the creek is like dry. So there's no water all the way basically down until like the bottom, 100 feet of their property. And then it just comes out of the ground, and it's running like full bore right now because of all the water they infiltrated above. And so like the more you do that, it starts to create this flywheel effect. And so that's what I was saying. Like if you can do stuff like that all the way up this valley and like just go for a walk and just push logs in, make it look like an accident, all that stuff is going to slow that water down, and it's going to give you more reliable water long term, so that when you do, put in some kind of a dam like this, now you've got, pressure at, 70 psi all the way down your property.